Hi guys. So today, everything is great. Almost messed up my words. um so today we're going to be making this. It looks cute. I love it. This was a mistake. I wanted to make it look like a fish. And I was like, "Wait, it's a mouse." This is supposed to be a bow. Yeah. Um, you know, yeah. So we're gonna get into it. So get any type of paper and let's get started. So first what you want to do is do this part. This is the side of the face. So like that. Then what I did is I went on the bottom, just did this, you know. Then I did the ears. So I would go like this, that. This looks too long. This, that, that. Pause the video if you need to catch up. I just had that in my mind because I just noticed I'm going too fast. So, go like that. That. That's what I did on the ears. Then the eyes. You know how everyone is not perfect, so yeah, it's not that perfect, but try your best, you know. Everyone wants to do good on stuff like this. Of course, it's a drawing. So yeah. Um oh, and since the at the beginning of the video I have the cat on the side, so I'm kind of drawing it on the side because, you know, the mouse on that side where my hand is. Um so yeah, you probably caught up right now cuz I'm talking, you know. um this this I made these so it looks like it's looking that way. So if you want it to look up, you make it go like this and this. If you want it to look that way, you want it to go like that and like that. But I'm making mine look like, if you like coordinates, then I will tell you it's southwest looking, you know, compass. But it's okay if you don't know the compass. Um or if you're bad at stuff like that, geography, you know. So after this, you do just color in the eye, because otherwise you can't really tell where it's looking. Oh, I just noticed the eye is a little off. This one. Well, eh. That's the nose. And do a little happy face, do not really a happy face like I did in the beginning of the video. Do this if you want. It's optional. Then um then do this like that. This I did. So the other paper, you know, before this, I had this part here at the bottom, but I mean, it's small right now, so you know. Um you can do whiskers. I don't want to do whiskers cuz I think it's fine already. Oh, let's do a little tail for that. There we go. Yeah. Then this, that. Oh gosh, that's too pointy. This. It looks like a narwhal. Then, or toucan, I don't know. That. Yeah, that's better. Not like how I did on the other one. Okay. There you go. You can make it have like grass, you know. Let's make it have a little grass here. Oh, maybe a sun. I don't know. I don't know if you're little. I don't know if you're, older. I don't know. I always drew the sun in the corner, but I don't want to do that right now. I want to put it here. Oh, and this grass and the sun, this stuff is optional, so you don't have to do that. You can put like a tree somewhere. I'm just giving you ideas. There. There we go. Let's do maybe a little cloud here. A little one here. Then no, let's make a tree. Don't mind that. You know? There we go. That's good. So, I hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe and ring the notification bell. You know what YouTubers say. Bye.